Hi, I'm Kelly. As a health coach, I know that making the most of an office visit with your healthcare provider, your doctor, nurse practitioner, or nurse, is really important to your health. Sometimes, though, having a conversation with your provider can be hard to do. It may feel uncomfortable to ask questions, share concerns, or even disagree with your doctor. So how can you get the most out of the time you spend with your provider? This is why Cognito, with support from the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation, has designed this simulated conversation between a virtual primary care physician and his patient. In this simulation, you will play the role of Laura and decide what to say to Dr. Wei. Laura is a mom who's been coughing for a week, and it's been keeping her up at night. She's called in sick for the past 3 days, and she can't afford to keep missing work. She also worries she'll get her kids sick and that the cough is a sign of something more serious that may require antibiotics. As Laura, your task is to provide Dr. Wei with a clear understanding of her illness, to ask Dr. Wei questions so that Laura understands everything he says, and to work with Dr. Wei on a plan that helps Laura get back to work quickly and keeps her kids healthy. To talk with Dr. Wei, you will choose what to say from this menu. Dr. Wei will respond to you. Then you'll decide what to say next, and so on until the end of the office visit. How well this conversation goes will depend on the choices you make. I'll coach you through this office visit. If the topic of antibiotics comes up, you will get additional help from Dr. Martin Blaser, a leading expert on the use of antibiotics and author of the book Missing Microbes. I'll also keep track of how you're doing in the conversation, so at the end we can talk about it. Are you ready? Let's begin.